You can see right now, guys, we are about to cross on the MACD. As you guys can see right here, we will have brand new all-time highs, guys. I'm really sure that this stock is just at the beginning of the pinnacle. So, hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video about another penny stock, which is ATOSSA Therapeutics. So, in this video, guys, we will be having a quick overview about the company, some facts, some past stock performance, and also the current situation with the future catalysts that are concurrent for ATOSSA Therapeutics. So on this channel, guys, we do nothing else but technical analysis. We look at charts, we look at daily, 4-hour and 1-hour candlestick charts, and we try to look at the best value for different stocks. On this channel, I already covered stocks such as NEO, Palantir, Zomedica, SBE, and many others. So if you want to see a lot more stock price predictions, including technical analysis, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's go, guys. So today we'll be talking about ATOSSA Therapeutics with ticker symbol Atos. This is basically a small cap company which has a 309 million market cap. It's basically a penny stock at this point, and it's basically a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. They are founded in 2009 and they are currently domiciled in Seattle, Washington, the United States. So when we look at the past stock performance of ATOSSA Therapeutics, they are up 240% in a single month, with an all-time high price of $4.35. In the last 3 months, this stock was up over 120 cents, which is absolutely amazing, guys. So this is a high growth penny stock in my opinion, and they are currently sitting on $9 million cash on hand. So they currently have 71 million shares outstanding on the market, available to purchase for retail traders and also institutions, but they also have a short interest of around 12%. So there is some shorting going on with this stock because it was up over $2,000 back in 2003, 2004. But looking at the current situation, guys, we can see that the volume is really high on ATOSSA stock. People are really starting to buy into this stock because of the past performance. And looking at the future catalysts, we have the COVID nozzle spray and also the very good positive actions on curing breast cancer, guys. So looking at the latest news, ATOSSA is having huge success by having very positive phase 2 endoxifen breast cancer study results. And this basically allows them to be a pioneer on this solution, because there are currently no other companies that are so far ahead curing breast cancers compared to ATOSSA, and their studies are even halted earlier than expected because of the very positive results which were posted 2 days ago. And this endoxifen basically fills a gap in breast cancer treatment that isn't currently available by other companies. So also, this endoxifen will have many catalysts in late Q1 and also early Q2. They could be having partnerships with other companies. The clinical results could be very good, and their applications for phase 2 could be even immensely, guys. This stock has so much potential in my opinion, and it's really worth it to take a look at. I am not a financial advisor, guys, let me clear that up, but in my opinion, this stock will reach new all-time highs if we jump into our candlestick chart, which we'll be doing right now. But guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below if you want to see a lot more ATOSSA stock price predictions and also a lot more information, because I will be doing a lot of research on this stock. And thank you so much for tuning in. So let's jump right into our candlestick charts. So guys, welcome to our candlestick chart of ATOSSA Therapeutics. Today we'll be discussing the current trend line, the support and the resistance levels of this penny stock. So looking at this Saturday, guys, we are sitting at the $3.89 price. We had a small pullback of around 10%, which is still not that much compared. I mean, if you look at the previous price movements, we are currently in the overbought section on the RSI. So let's take a look. So you can see the RSI is basically overbought, which means that we could be having another correction, and we could be moving closer to the $3 mark. We could be dropping a lot more, I think, and we could be having another correction closer to the $3 mark, in my opinion. And after that, we could be following the trend line and breaking out of the $5 resistance level. Because if you look at the resistance, guys, it is currently sitting at the $5. You can see that right around here. This is a resistance created at the 3rd of August 2020. So looking at that right now, we tried to test this level even on the 4th of February, which was like 2 days ago, on a Thursday. We didn't manage to break out of the $5 mark. If we did, we would be having a lot more swings over the $5 mark, in my opinion. But looking at the price movements here, you can see that we are still in a bullish pattern, guys, because we are currently in a very good trend line. Looking at the daily chart, you can also take a look at the MACD, which is currently in a bullish movement. But be careful, guys. You can see that the volume is also really high. We had a lot of people jumping onto the stock because of the news, because of the very positive phase 2 breast cancer treatment results, because that's really good for this company. I mean, they have really good numbers right now, and I believe that they could even go above the $5 resistance. If they manage to break out of the $5 resistance, guys, this stock could be moving to the $6 to $7 to $8 back again, and we could be having another very bullish outbreak after the results. So let's jump right into our 4-hour chart, guys, and I will talk to you about the bearishness that is currently happening with the stock. So you can see right now, guys, we are about to cross on the MACD, as you guys can see right here, and the RSI is also starting to go back to neutral, which means that our stock will also go back to neutral. And looking at the movement right here, guys, if you can see our all-time high of $3.80 back in the 21st of January, we had a similar pullback. Looking at this, we went from $3.75 all the way back to the $2 mark. And I think the same thing will happen again. So we had an all-time high of $4.84. We will go back to the $3.20, I think, following the trend line. So, and after that, we could be having another bull run. And if we break out of the $5 movement, guys, this stock could really take off. But be careful. I would if I were you, I would be waiting for the correction, because I think because of the overbought section in the RSI, we will have another correction. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that we should be having some consolidation, and I will be showing you that on the 1-hour chart as a final result, guys. So here we are at the 1-hour candlestick chart of ATOSSA, and you can see we are crossed on the MACD on the 1-hour chart, guys. So you can see right around here on the 4th of February, we crossed on the MACD. We are in a bearish channel right now, and I think that looking at the RSI, we still have to go quite a bit lower, guys, until we can reach the new all-time highs. Looking at the 50 moving average line, guys, you can see the red line right here is the 50 moving average. And if you want to get into ATOSSA, I would wait a little bit until it gets under the 50 moving average, and that would be the best value for new investors. Like I mentioned, do your own due diligence, but I think that we should be having another correction very soon. And after that, you could get into ATOSSA if you did your own due diligence, of course. And like if I zoom out, guys, you can see we are very, very good on a good way. We have a support of around $2 right now. You can see so many points entries around here. Even in 2019, our support is $2 right now. The resistance $5. If we can break out of the $5 mark, we will have brand new all-time highs, guys. I'm really sure that this stock is just at the beginning of the pinnacle. So that was my stock price predictions, guys. If we can move out over the $5 resistance, we should have brand new all-time highs, and I believe that this stock could be really, really good for a long-term investment. So that was my stock price prediction for ATOSSA, guys. Like I mentioned, this is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you next time. So guys, as you guys can see, this stock is currently in an upwards movement. We could be seeing all-time highs of $6 to $7 if we manage to beat our $5 resistance, which is from August 2020. So currently, be careful, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but this stock could be seeing some correction because it's overbought right now on the RSI index. And looking at the 4-hour and 1-hour MACD movements, we can see that they are crossed, and we are currently in a bearish channel. The after hours are currently up 50 cents. It could even go up, but be careful, guys, because I think right now this is a very volatile stock. It could go down back to the $2 support level, and I think that would be a better buy if you want to get into this stock. Like I mentioned, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence, guys, because it's a penny stock at the end of the day. Penny stocks have high risk, but also high reward. So thank you so much for tuning into the channel, guys. Make sure to sub to the channel, leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.